Alright, so guys, we have checked into the hotel already. It's the Paragon Saigon Hotel. Guess what? We are both sitting in the chair over here. We are not bathing, we are not unpacking, we are not doing anything. Why? Because they gave us 2 single beds. So right now the concierge guy is helping us to check for the room, and we're gonna meet our friends for dinner in a while. Stay tuned for the room tour when it's ready.
Alright guys, so our friends are coming from Singapore. So this shirt is to dedicate to them.
Bye bye. Take care. 跟谁 wave？ Alright, so guys, okay, we're just done with the Saigon Princess cruise. Alright, so how it works is, you know, we have our meal on the cruise and they'll bring us around through the river. Yeah, and we'll have a nice view of all the, you know, the buildings and all this. And on the second part of the tour, there's a live band which actually hype up the whole atmosphere of this cruise. So right now we're gonna make our way back to the hotel because we are really tired from a whole day of, you know, shopping, walking around, and the cruise.
This activity is super fun, and for the price you get to eat, enjoy and everything. I think it's very worth it. So we will include a link down below. You can click on the link to order and come to this cruise. It is really amazing and fun. Yeah, don't miss out if you are in Ho Chi Minh.
Okay, today is the second day of our Ho Chi Minh tour, and today we are going to Cochin Tunnel. Yes, so we actually book it online. Yeah, check out the links in the description down below. And if you're in District 1, they'll have a bus to come and fetch you. If not, you have to meet at a meeting point. Yeah, so right now we are going to go on a 1 hour and 40 minutes bus ride. It's a bit shaky, a bit wobbly. Let's hope all our food stays in our stomach. Yeah, so right now we're gonna enjoy the short ride and show you a bit more before we reach Cochin Tunnel. Let's go. So we have just reached the Cochin Tunnel. Yep, so right now the guide is settling, I think, the tickets.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticking stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature.
Alright, so guys, right now we are going into the bunker, one of the tunnels. Yep, so we're gonna show you how it looks like. Everyone is a bit anxious right now. Let's see how it looks.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner.
Yes, we done the 20 meter.
So we did the shortest one, and I think we took the longest time because we were like taking pictures and things like that, and it was really tight. Yeah, I mean you have to walk squatting now or crawling. Yeah, or sort of crawling. Yeah, maybe to grab some lunch because everyone is tired. Climbing the tunnel, right, for like 20 meters is like burning a whole meal already, so everyone wants to eat now.
I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
Right now, the last night of our trip in Saigon, so we're gonna have a good steamboat dinner. We're now going to cross the road. It's a crazy road as usual. Good morning everyone. Okay, today is the last day of our Ho Chi Minh Saigon trip. Alright, so in total we spent a good 13 days over here. Yep, so we spent 3 days in Ho Chi Minh. After that, about 6 to 7 days in Bao Luc and Dalat, and back to Ho Chi Minh another 3 days. Yep, so in total 13 days. I would say it is a good time, yep, to explore a new country we have not been here before. And now we are on the way back to the airport. For those of you who are coming, please come to the airport earlier. We reached here about 1.5 hours earlier. Yeah, so it is well within the time. Okay, because the gates close at 15 minutes before. But all the queuing and everything, right? The crowd. There's a lot of flights at this timing. Yeah, so we barely made it. Okay, we reached the last bus. Okay,
The
to
flight
the.
is taking off at 8:50.
Yeah.
现在是 8:40.
Right now it's 8:41 and we are on the bus. This one is the last bus to the plane to take off, and we reached the bus right within about 1 minute. Yeah, the bus went off already. So for you guys who are coming here, please take note. The crowd here is really a lot, and the speed is not that fast. Yeah, and for going through the scans, right? Okay, it's quite interesting. You have to take off everything, including your shoes as well. Yeah, so that caused a bit of a commotion, and a lot of people are stuck there. So it took some time as well. So right now we're gonna get on the plane. We have ended the whole Ho Chi Minh tour, Vietnam tour. Yeah, it was a short flight, and we have arrived safely back in Singapore. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, so stay safe, stay healthy, take care guys, bye bye.